Hi, I'm Rana. I'm based in Cebu here in the Philippines, and I'm also a mother of three. So life is pretty busy on my end, but honestly, being a mother actually helped me become really organized and good at managing my time, which is very useful in the work that I do. I've been in customer service for about 9 years now, and for the past 6 years, I've been working more on admin support, project management, and CRM work. Right now, I handle things like managing schedules, tracking leads, and keeping our CRM clean and updated. I also do outbound calls. I also support some e-commerce tasks through Shopify, and I work closely with teams to make sure everything's running smoothly and nothing falls into the cracks. What I really enjoy is being in that space where I can support both operations and sales, like keeping things organized behind the scenes while also helping move leads forward. I'd say I'm someone who's reliable, detail oriented, and easy to work with. I'm used to working remotely, juggling different tasks and priorities, and just getting things done without needing so much supervision. And yeah, I'm really interested in this role because it's exactly the kind of work I've been doing and I love. Thank you, and I hope to connect with you soon.